Hello guys, I'm taking my first look at this Obby's laundromat obby. Do you want to say hello, Kaden?
Hello.
Hello. This guy's crazy. I don't want to turn out like me. Find a way to escape. How are you talking? I couldn't even hear you, but sure. Welcome to make a good pair of shirts. Yes, I would. Yes, I would.
Get into the obby.
Jump.
I got a good obby idea for the next video. You guys, I found this one. It's really hard, and I'll probably tell him to do it for the next video. So now we got a decently funny one.
Okay, this might be a little harder than I thought.
Yeah.
Look at my super speed clone gnome. Jump. Ha ha! Oh no, the beast, but how do you get over here faster than I could?
Don't question it.
Wee.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Ow.
I got whacked in the face.
You got whacked in the face. Wee.
Dude, this isn't even hard.
I like the vent, trying to find a key. A key, you say? Is there a key? I found a key. Look, I found a key. I have a yellow key. I have the ye.
Since when does a vent take a key?
I mean, they did lock it, but I don't really know how. They had to, like, screw...
Oh, don't
like,
touch the clothes. Dude, how is this even hard?
Well, it did make you move a little bit. I don't know how these are leaking. Bra moment. Ha! Okay, I have a better idea. Here, you never have to even touch anything.
There, that was like so simple. That was also so simple. Whoa, what the?
Why is there knitting? Like, have you ever noticed how weird this place is?
Yes.
At first, you're in here. Why is this even back here? There's like a few of these with clothes on the ground. And then you just have like...
boarded up door?
Yeah, and then you have like... How do you even have time to board this up while we're still in here? Why don't we just call the cops? And then all of a sudden you go through a vent. And now you're in a super secret knitting area for grandmas.
With giant... It's like a giant room.
Hello! It makes it easier to watch us, I guess, you know?
Yeah. What the flip?
Oh, no! Oh, no!
I think you're supposed to jump up on his hand. Like,
I think we're supposed to get eaten by him.
Get eaten. Bro, that's what we should do. We should play Get Eaten in the next video.
Oh, yeah, we totally should.
Dude, that game is so much fun.
I don't know how we're supposed to get past there.
Oh, maybe this is gonna be one of those games because this creator, sometimes like his games, like some levels are just impossible to get past.
Wait, hold on. No, people are past it. Oh, you are supposed to get it eaten. Ah! See how it just went black and it got big again?
Now wait, go back in this map. Oh, okay, never mind. This is just so weird. Those taste buds.
You must have what the heck? Why is there bubbles in his mouth? Is he like gargling right now? Don't do that. I'm a very effective.
He's a very weird person, you guys. I think it's saliva with bubbles.
No, I would not. Thank you.
Yeah, it really knows how bad you are.
You fail once and it just gives you an ad.
Hey, you wanna buy this? Dude, quit the shift lock, dude.
Why?
Because it's only who uses shift locks?
A lot of people.
No one on YouTube.
Dude, Jake Pinkleaf uses it. I'm like 90% sure he's like one of the best hobby people, so. It's good to do stuff like this.
I truly don't even really know what the shift lock does.
See, look how this, you can't do that. But with this, you can go like this. But when you do this, it goes like that, you know?
I guess that makes sense.
No. No. And this one? What? Okay, never mind.
Okay, I think
it's because they're tresses. That's why.
Oh.
Of course.
Okay, so it's the green one.
Now it's gonna be the blue one.
Nope, I knew it.
Then it's gonna be the red one.
Nope.
Or the green one. It's either the red
green one.
Okay.
Nope, it's gonna be the red.
Yes. No.
Dude, 225.
Which one should I go?
Green.
You messed me up.
I knew it was red.
You messed me up. It's your fault.
Well, I knew it was red anyways.
No,
I was just messing with it.
Messed me up. Well, did you make this? Yeah, you did it. That's what I thought. Hello? Hello? Da-ba-da-bum-ba-da-ba-da-bum. What's he doing? Go to the right laundry machine. Oh, I thought he meant right as in like the right side.
Oh.
Wee.
There is no checkpoint, so haha.
This is gonna take 2 years.
No. Guys, comment down below if you use shift lock when you play Roblox. Are you okay with this?
I just like using shift lock. It feels nice.
Watching you is very hard.
Why?
With shift lock, it's really weird. Did you hear that? Subscribe to Wolf Gaming, you guys.
Don't do it.
Yes, just for support him and his channel.
Yeah, whatever.
Just please subscribe to Wolf Gaming. This video is not sponsored or brought. Well, it's brought to you by because he's. Yeah.
Yeah, but still subscribe to me. Are you kidding me? Really? Really? That's how you want to do it?
Yes. So if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed already, then you're just crazy. Bro, it's that one.
Yeah.
You do?
Yep.
Doubt it.
I know
At least
now.
that's what I think it is.
It has to be. Of course, the last one.
That's always how it is.
They probably rigged it. Can you? I can't. Okay. Are y'all ready? Bada bum bum bada bum bum bada bum bum bada bum.
What were you doing in the infection video? That should be like what you're thinking about trademarking.
What?
That like little song you're doing
Oh yeah.
on the infection video.
No, I didn't get
Bum
copyright
bum
claim
bum
for
bum
that.
bum 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 bum.
Whoa, is this Robux, Abby? Do I get free Robux? I would like free Robux. Oh,
And
I
Robcoin.
get text too? Can I get text? Robux and text, please. SpongeBob. Oh, SpongeBob is mad. I don't like you, SpongeBob. I might just pass that jump. If you think I made pass that jump, like and subscribe.
Even though you didn't, so you're telling everyone not to subscribe. Pretty much.
No, I did make it.
You did not, guys. Comment down below if you
Did
if he made it because he didn't.
Well, if I didn't make it, like and subscribe. But if I did make it, then like and subscribe.
Yep.
Don't question my quality of work. There's a little gap right there. Can I see through that?
Oh, it's just the world. Creator fails. Guys.
Whee! Yeah, Wolf Gaming.
Yeah, what a great mistake you made. Wolf Gaming.
You should put a wolf through there. He is a wolf. Oh, get burned, boy. You got burned right there.
With water.
Wee.
Guys, please comment down below if you want me, who's been seen on like literally most of his videos besides him. If you want me to start my own channel. And give me a good name.
Oh, what'd they say? Huh? Oh, they said no.
No, well, my channel would be better because, yeah, you know, it's me.
No, it's whatever. You see, I only bring quality content.
If it's so quality, why don't you actually spend time editing the video?
Can you edit?
I've never made video before.
Hmm?
I will try. Even
My
if it's
videos
horrible.
are so quality, they don't need editing. Not because I can't hire an editor.
Yeah, you don't need an editor. Some people edit their own videos. So, what the flip?
Find the red button to.
Oh no.
Can I like look like this? Oh, yeah, I think it's over here. Oh, right here. I like your music. No, please. Okay, good.
Don't underflow.
No, if I say good, bad long enough. Run! Oh, you guys okay? Huh? You know those are randomized, right? You're not controlling those. Why is there a window in here?
Just
out
jump
of all
out of it.
places,
You gotta jump out the window, I think. Dude, you're supposed to jump out the window.
supposed to jump out the window? Why didn't you say so?
I told you.
Now I have to start all the way back here.
Yeah, because you just didn't listen to me.
No. I listened to
and
you,
by
but
the
it
way-
was too late.
By the way, the video with destroying cars in Roblox, was that the one where you had the voice mechanic? By the way, you guys, that voice mechanic was me. That was just haha video.
I don't know. Green. I thought it was just a solid blue.
It is. Be careful. Be careful.
Oh, I thought that was like an obstacle. I didn't know. I thought that was like an obstacle I'd jump over.
Yeah, this time I wouldn't use shift block on that one. Way easier without.
Really? Ah! Who is that? Here's Scott. Oh, so is that good? Hello, Kimderful. Kimderful, you are a fool. Kimderful is a fool. Just read this billboard right here. Oh no!
Oh no, have you
The best laundromat in town.
have you ever been in the situation where you've been locked in the washing machine?
What?
No.
Silence flushes? Ah! Perfectly cut screens. Oh yeah.
You know what? Next time you need to do? Next time you die, just scream re. Just scream re until you respawn.
Kim the fool, you're a fool. Oh wait. Kim the fool. More like Kim the fool.
Kim the fool, more like. Let's just hope she's not playing on Xbox because then she.
Yeah. Yep. I want a suicide slushie. Okay. Oh, okay. We're. Oh well, we're gonna have a slushy break. Yeah, I know. Okay, well, we're having a slushy break. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.